In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gumtree account. Whether you're planning to sell something quickly or browse local deals, getting your account set up is the first step and it only takes a moment. Start by heading to the Gumtree website in your preferred web browser. If you're on mobile, you can use your browser or the official app. Make sure you're on the correct regional version for your country so your listings and searches are local. If you see any cookie or privacy prompts, go ahead and accept or manage your preferences so the site can function properly for you. Look to the top right corner of the homepage and click Sign Up. On a phone or tablet, this may be inside the main menu icon near the top of the screen. Selecting Sign Up takes you to the account creation page where you'll choose how you want to register. Here, pick your sign-in option. You can usually continue with an email address or use a trusted provider such as a major search engine account or a device account to speed things up. Using an email address keeps your Gumtree login separate. Using a connected account can simplify sign-ins across devices. Choose the option you're most comfortable with and follow the on-screen prompts. As you proceed, take a quick moment to review Gumtree's terms and privacy policy so you know how your information is handled. After that, wait for the website to load and sign you in. Depending on the option you chose, you may be asked to verify your email or approve the sign-in through your connected account. If an email verification is required, check your inbox and spam folders and click the confirmation link. Once you're in, you can fine-tune your location to see more relevant local results, and you can optionally add basic profile details to help buyers and sellers recognize you. Keep your personal information minimal and professional. With your account ready, you can start posting ads by clicking Post an Ad. The site will guide you through choosing the right category, adding a clear title, setting a fair price, and writing a straightforward description. Good photos make a big difference, so include well-lit images that show any important details. Double check your location so your ad appears in the right area, and review everything before publishing. After posting, you can manage your listings, respond to messages, and edit your details from your account dashboard. And that's it. You've created your Gumtree account and you're ready to browse, buy, or sell with confidence.